This is one of the fastest entry into your autonomic nervous system to help with the balance of the stress response. I taught it with my patient groups and at a recent talk about mindfulness, so I thought you may find this helpful. This is the extended out breath. The extended out breath is one of the quickest way to tap into your parasympathetic nervous system. So that's the part of your nervous system that helps with the relaxation response. And towards the end of this video, I'll give you some tips on when you want to implement this in your day-to-day. So the extended out breath is where the ratio of your out breath is longer than your in breath by about 1.5 to 2 times. For example, if it takes you 4 counts to breathe in, you take about 6 to 8 counts to breathe out. I'm going to use my hand to indicate this. And it's not just that, you want to pause between each. Let me show it to you. So let's say my hand is indicating your breath, and breathing in is like this, and breathing out is like this. So as you breathe in, if you take a count of 4 to breathe in, you want to breathe out the same amount of air, but you take a longer time to breathe out. So it's the same amount of air, but you really slow down how long you take. Breathe out all the air. As you breathe in, 2, 3, 4, then you hold for 2, for 3, and you breathe out for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you can, a bit longer, and you hold for 2, for 3, and you repeat it again. How quickly each count is, it could be in, 2, 3, 4, like what I was indicating. It could be slower, it could be faster. For example, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go by what feels comfortable, don't force it. As you do this on a regular basis, you'll find that you get more in tune with your body. Holding your breath for 2 to 3 counts after you breathe in, before you breathe out, and the same after you breathe out, before you breathe in, helps avoid over-breathing. So over-breathing out carbon dioxide, which some people may get this hyperventilation feeling and this tingling feeling. This is different from the breathing technique of box breathing because you're doing a longer out breath, and is different from the Wim Hof breathing method where that is a very forceful in and forceful out. And that Wim Hof breathing is more of activating the stress response, the sympathetic nervous system, rather than this, which is tapping into the relaxation response. You can do this before you have your meal. Do about 3 to 5 slow breaths that will signal to your body that it's time to rest and helps digestion of food. You can do this as part of your winding down routine when you're in bed, as you're preparing to sleep. Focusing on doing 10 to 15 rounds of this could be a wonderful way to bring in the relaxation response, improving the quality of sleep at night, and really help get away from an overthinking mind. Tell me how this goes for you. Put it in the comments.